Guys, we need to figure this out. We've had 12 failed ejections from our rocket already. We can't keep losing astronauts.
12 just this month. We have no other ideas. It's just too damn hard to eject the astronaut capsule at 400 feet from the rocket without an atmosphere. We can't even use canopy-like structures like parachutes or streamers.
I was looking through our old NASA student launch submissions, and I found one that we might want to check out. It's from a school called Stony Brook University in New York, and they've even made an infomercial to help us understand it. I think this is what we've been looking for. Are you looking for a payload compartment for your rocket that can land after deployment at 400 feet without parachutes or streamers? Then look no further because we have been creating the right product for you.
It's a bacteriophage.
The sail is a fully functional quadcopter drone, equipped with 4 motors providing 13 pounds of thrust.
Super cool drone.
They are attached to arms that fold into the body of the drone, 4 spring-loaded aluminum legs, and a camera, and can be manually controlled using the flight controller. Best of all, we have a compartment for all your human cargo needs, like our STEM Lab friends here. It faces no more than 16 Gs.
If this were a senior design project, it would probably be the best one.
So, what do you think, guys? Cool idea, huh?
Very promising.
Indeed.
So guys, turns out our budget for this project got reduced to only $280 per person. So no more projects
Why
for
is
you
the budget
guys.
so small, boss engineer?